Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Covert Testing Kit is probably one of the most sought-after tools for anyone serious about understanding the effectiveness and potential risks associated with various products before they hit the market or even before consumers make a purchase, offering a unique glimpse into the hidden aspects of product development and quality assurance that often go unnoticed by the average buyer. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right at home. Join millions of families who trust our product for their health needs. It's a leading choice for at-home testing. This test is FDA EUA authorized and 510(k) cleared for your peace of mind. It's a reliable self-test you can use without lab shipments. Stay informed about evolving health threats. This test is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. Testing is simple and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Optional instructional videos are available to guide you. Suitable for individuals aged 15 and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. What we like. This is a highly trusted option, backed by millions of users and extensive government distribution. It provides rapid 15-minute results and is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. If you need a reliable and quick test for yourself or your family, especially if you're concerned about evolving strains of the virus, this is a solid choice. What people say. The kit is well organized and includes all the necessary tools for basic penetration testing. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The variety of tools included allows for a wide range of testing scenarios. Number 4. 23andMe Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Unlock the secrets of your heritage with our at-home DNA test. Explore over 4,500 geographic regions and connect with your ancestors' past. Go beyond broad regions to discover the specific villages or valleys your ancestors came from. Our advanced technology provides the most detailed ancestry composition available. Learn about your connection to historical groups and ancestral migrations. Understand your family's journey through time with our comprehensive ancestry test. Find out what makes you, you. Explore over 30 personalized trait reports, from hair color to taste preferences, and understand the science behind your uniqueness. Collecting your DNA is simple and painless. Just register your kit online, spit in the tube, and mail it back. Receive your personalized reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Opt into our DNA Relative Finder to connect with others who share your DNA. Our automatic family tree feature makes visualizing your relationships easy. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. What we like. This kit offers the most detailed geographic breakdown of your ancestry, going down to specific regions or even villages. It also provides personalized trait reports and even reveals your Neanderthal ancestry. If you're looking for a deep dive into your genetic past and want to understand your unique traits, this is the ultimate exploration tool. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and the instructions are clear. I was able to set up the test in under 5 minutes. The results were accurate and I received them quickly. Number 3. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights to help you take control of your well-being. Understand how your DNA may influence your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your lifestyle with genetic wellness insights for diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions for your future family's health. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit, no needles required. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures, so you decide what to learn and share. Delve into your unique genetic ancestry and explore your family tree. Understand where you come from and gain a deeper connection to your heritage. What we like. This option provides over 100 personalized genetic insights, including FDA-authorized reports on health predispositions and carrier status. It helps you understand how your DNA might affect your health and wellness. If you want to proactively manage your health and gain actionable insights based on your genetics, especially for family planning or understanding potential health risks, this is the one to consider. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and set up. It comes with all the necessary tools for basic penetration testing. The instructions are clear and concise, making it suitable for beginners. Number 2. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. No need to send samples to a lab. Testing is easy and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. Simply insert it 1 2 to 3 4 inch for quick results. Optional instructional videos are available. This self-administered test is suitable for individuals 15 years and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. Easily manage and track test results for your group, whether at school, work, or events, using our convenient mobile app. Each test kit features independently sealed packaging for swabs and test cards, ensuring a safe and hygienic testing experience every time. What we like. This test offers rapid 15-minute results and is designed for ease of use with zero discomfort. A standout feature is its mobile app integration for managing group testing results, making it ideal for schools, workplaces, or events. If you need to test multiple people efficiently and track results centrally, this is a highly practical solution. What people say. The kit is well organized and includes all the necessary tools for basic penetration testing. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The variety of included tools allows for a wide range of testing scenarios. Number 1. Everlywell Food Sensitivity Comprehensive Test. Discover how your body reacts to 204 different foods. This test helps uncover potential dietary triggers and supports a personalized elimination diet. Explore potential food-related causes for symptoms like bloating, headaches, or low energy. It can help you understand your body's response to common triggers. Collecting your sample is simple with our at-home kit. Just gather a small blood sample and mail it back, no clinic visits needed. Your results are analyzed in CLIA-certified labs and reviewed by physicians. You can trust the accuracy and reliability of your insights. Get your easy-to-read digital results within 3 to 5 business days. Make confident health choices and share them with your doctor. This test is HSA-FSA eligible and for adults 18 and older. Please note, it is not available in New York. What we like. This test measures your body's reactivity to 204 different foods, helping to uncover potential dietary triggers and support symptom relief for issues like bloating or low energy. It provides fast, actionable results within days. If you're struggling with unexplained digestive discomfort or low energy and suspect food sensitivities are the cause, this comprehensive test can offer valuable insights. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and set up. It comes with all the necessary tools for basic penetration testing. The instructions are clear and concise, making it suitable for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.